What's up, YouTube? So today we're out here working on this SkyTrak. We put it back together in the rain. It quit raining, so then I finished up the service after it quit raining. So let me flip this. So we just finished the service on it. I greased it, that's why it's all extended, but the cylinder started leaking real bad a couple weeks ago. I pulled it off, I took it in and got it rebuilt. That's why it's all like that. They didn't repaint it. I'm not going to either. It's just a yard machine for my buddy's construction company. So we got that all installed back on there, greased up, cycled the hydraulics, everything's working. We did end up servicing the whole machine, oil change, fuel filters, all that stuff. But like I said, he doesn't really leave the yard. It just stays here for loading and unloading trucks for his concrete business. Just a short video. It was downpouring when I took the cylinder off this 2 weeks ago, and then it was downpouring when I came back to put the cylinder back on, but we do have it all done. Everything's working. So we'll go ahead and fire it up, and then we'll retract the boom, and then we'll park it. So get the key down here. Oh, it falls out all the time. I gotta replace the ignition on this too. It's just not here yet. Bends the key pretty good. Go fire it up. Pick up the boom. Extend, down, up. Now pull it on in. The cylinder we replaced over there is for this, the tilt on the machine. Get the tilt down. We'll tilt it back over. All the way to the other side. Looks pretty far. You can see how high we're off the ground, man. We'll level it back out. And we'll drive this up there into the parking spot. We're really chomping at the bit to get this machine back, so we're good to go there. Put it forward, use the parking brake. Drive on over here. Neutral. Set the parking brake. Roll the boom down to the ground. Good to go. We'll shut this off. Oh, the key fell out again. And then we will hide the key over here. I'll just put it right here in front of the hydraulic tank, right there. And then that's it. This one's a wrap. I'm sorry I didn't film more of it, but it was downpouring rain, and we're just trying to get this done. It took forever to get the cylinder back. They told me a couple days. They ended up having it for 2 weeks. So, such is life. There's been some other issues with parts lately. On the Isuzu that I've been working on, waited 3 weeks for some oil cooler lines on that. They just came in today and then told me the oil cooler is actually obsolete. So, we will have to find an oil cooler and make something work. And that'll be it. But at least trying to get to 5 minutes here on this thing. So, like I said, this machine's back up and running. And we'll be on to the next one. We got a bunch of stuff to do this week, so thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the likes, all the subscribes, all the comments. It really means a lot to me for us not been on YouTube that long. So hopefully it just keeps getting better. And we still haven't fixed the service truck yet. They want too much money for parts, and I'm not running this through insurance, so it still functions and works. Just not so pretty, but it's a work truck, who cares? All right, guys, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.